Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Inequations Worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets on inequations. These are very similar to equations, and in the main we go through the same processes. However, there are some important rules you need to know. Now, if you don't know about these rules or you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you go immediately to that last slide and click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So for this particular slide I will leave it on for 1 minute before I move on to the next slide, but you can pause it for as long as you want. Okay, here is the next slide. I'll also leave this slide on for 1 minute, but as always, you can pause the slide for as long as you like. Okay, here is the last slide. I'll move on to it right now.